with the help of this AI, you can also generate videos with just a single click. Yeah. So what's Vizard? Vizard is Vizard is your new best friend. It takes those long videos and transform them into short and snappy click videos. So with the help of this AI website, you can simply turn your long videos into a viral clip with just a single AI magic. So if you have a video like your editors and you've been provided with very long clip videos, looking for a way to make it viral clip, with the help of this AI will analyze the video and bring out the most important part of this video for you with the help of this AI magic. So that's one thing about Vizard. So think TikTokers. If you are TikTokers, or you want to post reels or YouTube shorts, Vizard make it happen. So if you are a YouTuber, if you are a TikToker and Instagram, and you want to make a very short content reels, make a short videos about the videos that you can post on your social media platform, for example like TikTok, for Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, because all those platforms mentioned, they have limited certain durations of video that can be published on those platforms, which just 2 minutes, and you have about 10 minutes or above videos. With this AI website, you can get that done by just turn your long videos into a viral clip, just a very short clip. So that's it. So using this Vizard website, it comes with a huge benefit, which is you will not want to lose. The first thing is it comes with AI script writing that generates script in seconds for you. Within a seconds, this AI will generate a script writing for you in your video, and also get access to templates just from about 100 to 100 plus professional templates that can be re-edited or customized by you. Also get access to voice cloning, so you can generate a realistic voiceover with your voice using the AI tools on this website. You also get access to collaboration tools, so work with your teams on a video project. So you can simply get teams on this platform and work in a simple video project, and also get access to advanced editing, so fine-tune your videos with precision. So with tools available on this website, you can simply advance your editing lifestyle by just make a lot of adjustments using the advanced editing features that is present on this website. So let's check the pricing list for this website. Let's go to the pricing list. Here's the pricing list compared to the other website. So here is choose the perfect plan for you. Okay, so the plan is being divided into two. You can make the monthly plan and the year plan, and the year plan actually saves you 50% of your payment. Then under the monthly plan, you don't pay for starter. Don't pay for starter. These are the available features that is available on the free version. So here you can try Vizard for free. Just try it, then you sign up and it's for free. So under that, you have access to private workspace, you manage one social media account, and the key features under this plan is that you get access to AI generated clip, full access to the editor, and export videos in 720 pixel, and you also get about 3 days storage on the free version. And on the creators version, which produce high quality videos with tarmac free, payment less than $19 per month, and get access to 400 upload minutes per month. Then you also get access to these features, which is private workspace and manage social media account. Then with these key features, which is no watermark, export videos in 4K, schedule videos, social post, and also get access to video stored forever. So on the free version, you only get access to 3D storage, but on the creators plan, you have access to stored videos forever, video stored forever. And the business plan is $29 per month, access to 400 upload per minute per month. Also get access to which is include features, which is share working space, also manage 20 social media accounts at the go. Then you also get access to this list of the features right here, which is invite team member. That's between $10 per month. Also get access to limited viewers and a brand kit with a custom font, which is super cool. So right here you can simply decide which of the plan you want to go for and see how it works best for you. And here are available tools that you can use on this website. So you are aiming for video editing, here are the available features that is under this video editing. You can simply use and you can simply add image to video, you can add text to videos, can automate it, or can automatic video editors, also make a clip maker, a crop videos, a repost videos, resize videos, and video splitter with a video trimmer. So if you want to add a subtitle or transcription with this, just go to these are the list of tools or feature tools that you can use for that. You can simply use the subtitle editor or dictation software or video text or video translator. You can also auto subtitle generator with a podcast transcription, a video caption generator with it. So these are the available tools that can be used for this wide range of services, because video editing is inevitable in title and transcription and uses cases. You can use the AI podcast clip to generate for generator. You can also use the Facebook video editors and the Instagram video editors and a lot more, just to make your work super cool and more demanding. The help of with the help of Vizard. So talking about the pros and cons on this website, one of the first pro is it's an AI writing, which is a game changer. Also get access to unlimited templates, which you can diverse into a different design, and you can also use this website, the Vizard website, for screen recording features, which is very useful, and also get access to great for quick videos. Then one of the downside of this website is that the video customization is bit limited. You also get a steeper learning curve and limited editing features, and templates can feel repetitive. So that's one of the downside of this website. So that's it. Another thing is super cool. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI websites, which is Vizard, which can be used for videos. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.